I'm standing on top of the mighty Severn Bridge Junction signal box, which overlooks Shrewsbury Station. And I'm here today, Saturday, June the 30th, 1990, to discover how Europe's largest mechanical signal box works and what it does. Severn Bridge Junction lies at the southern end of the station. It takes its name from the nearby river, which flows almost unnoticed beneath the platforms. Of the three surrounding signal boxes, Crewe Junction is the largest. The building, of similar LNWR design to Severn Bridge, houses 120 levers and dates from the same time, about 1902. Crewe Bank is the next signal box to the north, within just a few hundred yards, while Baschurch is the next on the Chester line, about 8 miles away. Abbey Foregate interfaces with Wellington in the east and also controls access to the carriage sidings and Hereford Triangle. From the cab of a Sprinter, we can appreciate the complexity of running lines from Abbey Foregate to Severn Bridge Junction. Well, we're very fortunate to have with us today Bernard Hitch, who's the Area Movements Inspector. He's responsible to the Area Manager Chester on all line safety aspects. Bernard, you've worked this box as well, haven't you?
Yes, I have worked it for many years. It's been a really signal in the area for a number of years before becoming the main Movements Inspector. He wants what?
Who wants the Swansea in first, if possible?
Where's the Swansea, please, Merrill?
I think Aubrey's checking where the Swansea is. Any news on that one?
What? Close to Dorrington, the Swansea.
So how far away is that?
That's about 6-7 miles away. So,
I'll send her one over.
He's going to tell him where it is now.
Jim, with Swansea's close to Dorrington, over.
Hello there. This one is close to.
Because our aim's always not to... so we're getting closer before we get to London, so we're going to be waiting 2 or 3 minutes to get into the station.
The Wolverhampton one hasn't gone yet?
No.
As I speak, he pulls out.
Yeah. Yeah, she's on his way now. Yeah. What you really got to appreciate, I'm sure you do, often, is that there's a lot of work goes into planning of these trains, and not only men and servicing and all the rest of it before you can get the wheels moving. Hell of a programme. It isn't an easy thing.
Now, what's on the top of the picture here? Is that the London Euston?
It's the London Euston showing up at Abbey Foregate, yes.
So that's going to be
held
there for the Swansea
for the
to
Swansea
come in.
to come in. That's right. Yeah. Yeah. You see, if they let the Euston in now, run in now, the Swansea will be here in a minute, 2 minutes.
But I would have thought with it being half an hour late that would have had priority.
No, well, what they are doing, you see, this one's almost right time, isn't it? This Cardiff is almost right time.
Yeah.
So, well, it's late, 13. Swansea are 58, would we say? What time? 52 out, wouldn't he, rather? He's running a bit late now, isn't he? 52 out, see? It's Swansea, Cardiff, Swansea. So he'll be running through. Well, we just have this one, what? It's right there now at Abbey Foregate, 53, so it must be... It'll be here in another couple of minutes. And then, but this one's got a lot of mail and all that to get out of as well, you see. So, station supervisors decided that this one shall run.
Oh yes.
It was fairly close too.
So where is the Swansea one now? Is it?
I should imagine it'll be here within the next minute, 2 minutes. On his signal time. Yeah.
Here it comes.
Yes.
No, it's just clearing the viaduct.
Yeah.
And it's a conventional 3-coach DMU.
Yes.
So they'll try and get this on the way as soon as possible now.
Oh yes, yes, because they've accepted the London from Abbey Foregate. We'll be moving down now.
So the Euston one is now moving.
Yeah, she's moving down now, so they'll drop it in so the other one's on the road.
But there'll be no permissive way working, it'll have to be stopped at the...
Well, it won't get in clear, and it's not good practice to drop them in if they won't get in clear, because you've got people getting off at the end of the platform, you see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it'll stop at these signals.
Yeah, so stop at 112. 122, beg your pardon, 122. There it is, it's just coming to a stand there now.
So the minute that starts to move,
Yes, he will clear his
London
calling
will
off.
get the clear.
London will start to move. He should be in away now because a minute really.
yeah,
in
there seems to be a delay with it,
there
isn't
seems to
there?
be some problem.
Because
a minute in there is.
It was a bit late anyway.
Yeah.